Hello, my name is Stephen Bossert. I'm the orchestra director here at Plant High School. I'm also the guitar teacher, and I am also the ESC, the Access Visual and Performing Arts teacher. Welcome. It's going to be great to see most of you back this year. I'm looking forward to another great year here at Plant High School. As you can see, I'm here in room 538, the orchestra room, the guitar room, the Access Visual and Performing Arts room. So I'd like to welcome you back and take this time to say hello and hope that you all had a great summer. Just so that you know, communication this year, once again, I'm going to start off. The easiest way to get a hold of me is by email, steven.bossert@sdhc.k12.fl.us. All right, and I try and get back to you within a day after you email me. Calling the school is going to be, you won't get, the messages usually don't get down to me. So the best way and the fastest way to get a hold of me is through email. Also, as you saw on the bottom there, orchestra students, plantorchestra.com is our website, and so lots of information will be posted there. For all three, orchestra, guitar, and ESC, we'll be using Canvas this year, and you'll be seeing assignments. You also can communicate. You can email me through Canvas to get a hold of me. That would be awesome, because I think we're eventually going to go to that. So please look for information posted there. Our orchestra students, I know there's lots of forms and fees and stuff that are associated with orchestra. We'll be getting to that in another meeting at another time. But if you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to get a hold of me as soon as you can. All right? Please don't sit and wonder. Come right to the source where the answers are. If I don't have the answers, I will get them for you. All right, so please do not, please keep that line of communication open. Email me if you've got any questions and or concerns. Guitar students will be using the following books. Level 1s will be using the red first year guitar book. The levels 2, 3, and 4 will be using the second year guitar books. And everybody this year will need to get the essential elements for guitar. This book will be available at Don Banks Music, which is great. Let's try and support local businesses here. They're right down the street on Henderson. So, or if it's not convenient for you, you can get this online. It's very reasonable. So we will be using this book. And the hot series you will get in class, and those that are on and they will be posted. Things that you need will all be posted on Canvas that you don't have to worry about. Orchestra students, you will need to get your usual black binder with all the sheet projectors. Please make sure you've got that, so that way for any and all music you have that. This year, for everyone, I guess the key word is being flexible and paying attention to what's going on. So let's be flexible, let's work together, let's do the right thing, and I know that we're going to have a great year. ESC students, you don't have to worry about any books, you don't have to worry about folders, we're gonna enjoy music this year. And so the ESC class, it's a fun class, and I hope that you're going to enjoy it. Well, anyways, I look forward to seeing you all again on the 24th, and I hope that you enjoy these last few days of summer, and good luck. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to email me, and I'll try and get the answers to you as quickly as I can. All right, so have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.